Right, this is Marvin, the weather robot, and he's a Java program on this computer basically, who goes every 30 minutes and checks out the Bureau of Meteorology the Bureau of Meteorology site on the internet, and this is his main screen. I've got the weather reporter ticked, the fire danger reporter ticked, and the ID on, and he goes and looks at the data and analyses it and reports it over a two-way radio. In this case, it's the UHF CB. And he basically says, I'm Marvin, the weather robot. There are no current weather warnings for Albury. So he searches for keywords such as severe weather warnings for this area and severe thunderstorm warnings for this area. But he's determined there isn't any, and he's 100% accurate. The pressure in Albury is 1014.3 and has fallen 3.9 hectopascals since midnight. So he calculates the how much the barometric pressure has fallen since midnight, or risen or fallen, which is very handy. The air temp is 8.7 degrees and is rising. The humidity is 89% because it's just finished raining at the moment. And the wind speed is 13 kilometres an hour from the southeast, gusting to 20, and there has been 7.2 millimetres of rain. That's all straight data really that he gleans. He doesn't sort of analyse that or calculate anything from it, but he does in the last part, which is the fire danger. Here in Australia we use a fire rating scale from 1 to 100, and Marvin uses an algorithm called the MacArthur algorithm, and it calculates the whereabouts on the Australia scale it is. At the moment it's low to medium, and he calculates the index as 1, and the index goes from 1 to 100, and 100 is in the vicinity of catastrophic. That's right, and he announces that if that occurs as well. So I'll start him up anyway and just have a listen to his voice. His voice is it sounds like a depressed robot. So that's why it's called Marvin, because he's actually named after the depressed robot on Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. And we'll start him up, and he goes and trawls the website.
There are no current weather warnings for Albury. The pressure in Albury is 1014.3 and has fallen 3.9 hectopascals since midnight. The air temp is 8.7 degrees and is rising. The humidity is 89%. Wind speed is 13 kilometers an hour from the southeast, gusting to 20. There has been 7.2 millimeters of rain. The fire danger is low to medium. I calculate the index as 1.
There you go. That's Marvin, the weather robot.